But now, as the technology is growing day by day.
And another question that comes in the mind, that kids are the form of God. Kids are the gift of God, and you are
Yes, sir.
the way you are treating your baby. I don't think. I think you are somewhere disheartening the God. So please take care of the baby properly. Otherwise, it is just a conversation. Simaji,
Yes, sir.
Simaji, listen. It is just a conversation. All right, but
Okay, sir.
kids are the valuable gift of the God that we get from God. So treat the kids properly with
So
great
actually,
care.
he is in a habit of coming in front of camera whenever I used to talk to you, or whenever I used to record the video or something I am doing in my phone. So he's in the habit of coming in front of the camera. He
It's
like to
okay,
see
na?
him.
It's okay. It's okay. It's a baby, and it's an innocent baby, na? So he doesn't know
Yes.
what is being done here. He's so
Yes,
innocent,
sir.
and children are so innocent.
Yes, sir.
All right. So
Yes, sir.
just keep. Maybe he's interested to learn English speaking as well from me. Also,
No, no, sir. He's not actually interested. Actually, he doesn't even understand that what we are doing. But
okay.
actually, he is.
I was just
Yes,
kidding. I
sir.
was not serious.
Yes, sir.
I was just
Yes, sir.
kidding. Hello, Simaji. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. So today's conversation is going to be based on question and answer, and I'm going to ask you some questions
Okay,
regarding
sir.
telephonic conversation. And during
Yes,
the
sir.
conversation, when I will pass a question to you, you have to answer those questions with one or two sentences.
Okay,
All
sir.
right. So
Yes, sir.
my first question to you is, do you usually talk on phone?
Yes, sir. I usually talk on phone. I used to talk
Well,
with my.
not used to.
So
Why are you using? Used to shows past tense. The
yes, sir.
action used to
Yes,
take
sir.
place in the past. But you still talk, na? You still talk to
Yes,
the. You
I
still
I
talk.
still talk, but now I'm not talking, no, sir. That's why I'm telling my past
So have you
habit
got
that
have you got broken up with them, or have you got some
uh,
dispute with them?
no, sir,
So why are you
broken up
saying
not.
like that?
I have. So, sir, what should I say? That usually
Simply
I
say,
talk
no.
with my parents, with my family members, with my relatives, with my friends,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and there are many more with whom I talk usually on phone.
Okay. Okay. That's great.
Yes, sir.
So as we talk on the phone, telephonic conversation are
Yes, sir.
the most vital part of our life. So I
Yes,
would
sir.
like to ask you a question now. What is the most memorable conversation that you still remember right now? That was very good conversation I had. With whom did you have it?
Sir, actually, I usually talk with my elder sister. Means daily I talk with her. Means uh, like half or most one means half or
Half
an
hour
hour.
or so.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Half hour or so. I usually talk with my sister.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, there are many memorable conversation with her. So I can't tell
Okay.
anyone, sir.
Okay, that's nice. Means you have lots of memorable conversation with your
Yes,
sister,
yes,
who's
sir.
elder to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Who's
She
elder?
is 10 years
Okay.
elder to me.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Yes, sir.
So, when do you usually have conversation? When
So
do you
actually,
usually
the
have
time
conversation?
is not fixed. Actually, the time is not fixed, but usually I talk with her in afternoon or after 11 o'clock at night.
Okay, that's
Yes,
great.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
Actually,
So
this
as
is
you,
the time.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes, please speak up. Speak up.
Actually, this
Please
is
you
this
continue.
is the time when she is free. That's why I
Mm-hmm.
used to call her at afternoon or at 11 o'clock after night.
Okay, that's great.
Yes, sir.
So as you said that you talk to your elder sister very much, you have a frequent talk with her. So another question just randomly comes in the mind. What do you talk about? Any random topic, any special topic?
No, sir, there is no any special topic, but yes, I usually talk her about my daily routine. I ask her about her daily routine and what she
Mhm.
did in the whole day. Okay, I
What she
talk
does. Okay.
about okay what she does in the whole day. I talk
Mhm.
about his kids. Okay,
Her,
and
her
she
kids,
about her kids. She used
because
to
her is
talk
a,
me.
single, her is a feminine gender, and that's what we
Yes,
use
sir.
it for.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I usually talk about her kids, and she also used to talk me about my baby, about my family. So there are
Mm-hmm.
only these things, and uh, means also we also talk about our family or parents or
Mm-hmm.
her relatives. She talk about my relatives. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes she ask about that what I have made today and
Okay.
what what I have planned today. Like this conversation only goes on.
Very good. Wow.
Yes, sir.
So as you keep having conversation, all right. So do you think that telephonic conversations are interesting?
Yes, sir. Telephonic conversations are interesting because to
How?
whom we because to whom we can't meet daily, so we can talk to them by this phone call only.
Mm-hmm.
And as in the olden days, in the past days, there were no telephone and mobile available, so people can't talk to their relatives or their closed ones, their loved ones. So
Mm-hmm.
we can make a phone call. We
Mm-hmm.
means everyone are using mobile phones these days. So
Mm-hmm.
yes, a telephonic conversation is very interesting.
Okay. As you say that everyone are using,
Mobile phones
all right.
these
Yeah, you
days.
should say
Yes, sir.
that everyone is using mobile phone.
Okay, sir. Everyone is
All
using.
right. All right. So do you prefer telephonic conversation or conversation directly, face to face with person?
Sir, both are good at their stage or
No, you
at
have to
their.
choose either one, either this or that.
Sir, I think,
What do you prefer?
according to me, I prefer telephonic conversation. So because what happens
Mm-hmm.
sometimes that we used to talk with a person, okay, and when we go
Mm-hmm.
in front of him or her, then we feel
Okay.
hesitate to talk with him or her. Then I think
Okay.
by telephonic conversation uh, we can freely express our thoughts. We can freely express our means what we want to say.
On telephonic conversation.
Yes, sir.
All right. But
Actually, sir, I am telling my point of view, sir.
okay,
I
that's
don't
great.
know. Yes, sir.
Okay. So all you want to say
So
that, well, face-to-face conversation, we get hesitated. Okay. And moreover, we lose confidence as well. But when it comes to speaking on telephonic conversation,
yes,
we
sir.
get very much confident. Is
Yes,
that
sir.
so?
Yes, sir.
All right.
According to me.
That's great. But in many cases, this technique is not fruitful. For example, if you're calling to someone else and he's staying at home and he's telling you that he's out of the town, so how do you believe him? So don't you think this technique is decisive? You should actually go to the person and talk to him face to face. What do you say?
Sir, actually, there are merits and demerits of everything. So
Mm-hmm.
mobile phone also has some merits and some demerits as well. Like
Mm-hmm.
we can't easily meet a person who is living abroad or somewhere else. So we can talk with
Mm-hmm.
him or her by phone call. But if he
Mm-hmm.
is lying to us, then yes, it is the demerit of mobile phone.
So how do you see at this? What should be done in that case?
So then we can do video call, sir. We
Okay.
can yes,
But
sir.
what if the
We,
person? All right, all right. Wow. As we are talking about your point of views, so views may be different. All
yes,
right.
sir.
Well, that's great. So as I'm talking about what another question just running through the mind,
Yes, sir.
don't you think that nowadays telephones or mobile phones are misguiding people? A large amount of people are being misguided by telephones or mobile phones.
Yes, sir, it is true that yes, a large amount of people are misguided through phones because,
Mm-hmm.
some people are using these mobile phones, this technology as a bad habit. Means
Mhm.
so like what should I say? So there are a lot of things, like some people misuses the number of
Some
someone.
people,
Some people
misuse like this because people is a
misuse.
plural.
Okay.
So
So sir, some people misuse
mhm.
some of their friends or some unknown contact numbers, okay,
Okay.
to get money from them. Okay, to
Mhm.
so what to say, like means किसी से पैसा वसूलने के लिए.
Okay, some people ask money. They pretend
Yes sir.
as if they are our friends and they
Yes sir.
ask us money on Messenger, on any other
Yes
social
sir.
media site. They say that,
Yeah.
hey, I'm in trouble. Please help me out.
Yes
Send me
sir.
money on this number. So they
Yes sir.
ask
So
money,
there, yes sir, there are also a lot of organizations going on in the name of needy persons, and they ask for money, and then they are like, they are cheaters, they are fraud. Okay, but people believe them and they pay money, and then at last they come to know about them that they were not any needy person. Okay, they were cheating them. So, and sir, there are many means this type of things going on nowadays. So
Right.
this is only in my mind, sir.
All right. So as we talk on the telephone, okay,
Yes
mobile
sir.
was invented in order to communicate with person, however
Yes sir.
this far he lives or she lives. But
Yes
nowadays
sir.
kids are watching mobile phone continuously for 2 hours,
Yes sir.
4 hours, 5 hours.
Yes sir.
What are the damages of mobile phone?
So first, sir, the main damage they get through the mobile phone is that uh, the eye is
Or we
infected
can
so
call them,
much.
we can call them, what are the disadvantages that
Yes sir.
kids have due to this mobile
Yes sir.
phone?
Yes sir. Sir, the main disadvantage is that they are infecting their eyes so much, because the video they are watching is of, means the video they are watching, means it, so what to say, is of so much means their radiation level is mobile phones
So high,
radiation level is so much high. Okay,
so much
so
high,
they get infected through that. Okay, so like
and they damage their eyes as well, they
yes sir,
damage
yes sir,
their
and they
eyes with the
damage
high
their eyes as
resolution.
well. Yes sir. Sir, actually my kid only, I have, means a son of 5 years old, actually he used to watch mobile whole day, sir. Means
All right.
he used to watch videos and cartoons only in mobile phone. So sir, there are many
Well,
disadvantages.
sorry for the, so let me correct you for a sentence.
Okay
As you
sir.
said that
Okay
my
sir.
kids used to watch, so you are focusing on the past action,
Yes sir.
right? So the past action, but the thing is taking place right now, na?
Yes sir. Right now
So you
also.
can simply say, that my kids is of a 5 years old and he watches mobile phone
Yes
continuously,
sir, regularly.
watches,
Yes
because
sir,
action takes
continuously.
place on regular basis. So
Yes
simple
sir.
present tense should be used there.
Okay sir. So sir, my kid watches continuously mobile phone, and now he's in a habit of watching it. Hey,
He's
if he
addicted.
want, yes sir, he's addicted to mobile phone.
Mhm.
So sir, not only my kid, actually these days means every kids are addicted to mobile phone
Very good, you're right.
due to this increasing technology day by day. And every parents are so much tensed about their kids, that what we should do
Their
so that
kids.
they can leave this habit of watching mobile phones. Actually sir, in this pandemic time, even the studies are going on in mobile phones only, means the studies are online, so they are even more addicted to mobile phones. Yes sir. So they are
All
infecting their
right.
eyes only.
All right, that's great. So as
Yes
you know,
sir.
we know the coin has couple of sides. So
Yes sir.
first is head, another is tail.
Yes sir.
So we just talking about the first side of the coin, that they are damaging their eyes. But we also have to talk about another side of the coin as well. That's in positive, that they
Yes
are
sir.
completing their education and
Yes
somehow
sir.
they're connected with education as well.
Yes sir.
Because if there
So
was no mobile online education, so our children would not be connected with the online education, and they would be
yes, sir.
uncivilized, and they would be
Yes,
roaming here
sir.
and there.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is due to mobile phone only that online study is possible nowadays. If there will be no mobile phone, then how the students will be able to study online? Okay. So, and sir, by watching videos means like the kids are watching videos. So there is also some positive side, like they are getting something, some new things to learn by watching videos. Also, they are getting some new things to learn daily. So yes, sir. If there are disadvantages of mobile phones, then there are also some advantages of mobile phone.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I agree with you, Seemaji.
Yes,
And
sir. Thank you.
I would say that you look very much confident today. This
Thank
is
you, sir.
the, there's a proverb in English that action speaks louder,
Yes,
and
sir.
your action speaks louder than the, today you look very much confident. It is the
Thank you, sir.
outcome that you are working very hard on your English, especially your grammar. You are reading,
Yes.
writing, and you are developing yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you for
So
appreciating my efforts.
yeah, it is just a hard work that you did in the past, or you have been doing from many days. And I'm damn sure that there will come one day when you will become one of the greatest English speakers.
Thank you, sir. Uh, Thank you for boosting my confidence. So, sir, now are the questions over? Are the questions means completed
Yeah,
about it?
for the
Yes,
time
sir.
being, I would like to conclude the session here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the session is over from my side, and
Okay, sir.
I will see you in the next session where we will be
Okay,
doing
sir.
another activity, another interesting activity, which will
Yes, sir.
be
Definitely.
beneficial for you as well.
Yes, sir.
And you could learn new things from that activity, which we will perform in the next session.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Yes,
So
sir.
for today's session, it's an end from my side. Bye. Have a nice
Okay.
day
Yes, sir.
and
Have a
take care
nice
of the
day, you too.
baby properly.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.
All right. Bye then.
Bye, sir.
Bye.